everybody, I'm Barry Clark with Audio Video Charlotte. Over my shoulder, we're going to talk about the 82-inch flat panel and the 5.1 surround system that you see in this luxurious clubhouse. As we transition from the wall, you can see our connections that are providing audio and video and power hookup to our console. We have a centrally located surge protector allowing anyone that works in the establishment or that rents the room to turn the system off and reboot it very, very easily if any of the equipment misbehaves or locks up. The surge protector in the center has a very large power supply that's providing a variable speed output to the cooling system in the equipment console itself. So just in case we need to have a slightly more quiet or intimate environment, those fan speeds can be turned down to the point where they're almost inaudible. We have a very easily accessible cable box, in this case provided by our local cable provider. The power supply for it, the wiring for cable HDMI and Ethernet are not tied into the wiring loom, making this very, very easy for the local cable service provider to come out and swap out equipment should that become defective at any instance. We also have two subwoofers. These were cleverly sourced to fit inside the console's space. We cannot have anything freestanding. They're also bolted in place, and the brackets that we've used have security screws, helping to render these hopefully theft proof. We didn't want these sitting on the floor because of people standing on them, sitting on them, sipping their drinks on them, or in fact stealing them from the clubhouse. We are just about done with this part of the installation. We have one final thing to do, and that is to take this very, very clever magnetic vanishing grill and snap that in place over the speaker to completely stealth that out. On the wall we have every conceivable type of hookup to take care of any auxiliary requirements that any of the users of this room might have, from Ethernet, HDMI, USB, analog audio, as well as mains power for a portable device. The furniture is finally placed against the wall. We have a lockable secure cabinet keeping the equipment safe against theft and any abuse from someone that's in the clubhouse. The Marantz receiver that's in the equipment is also going to provide our HEOS music service, which gives us access to things like Pandora, Spotify, Deezer, TuneIn Radio, XM and Sirius, and many, many more, as well as having the ability to play physical music from a portable device like a smartphone or tablet. On the left-hand side of the television, we have the iPad control. Here we have an in-wall iPad dock securely located in the wall to prevent theft. Everything that needs to be controlled or accessed in this system is done via this iPad. There are no remote controls that will grow legs and walk, nothing to get broken, nothing to get misplaced or wedged down the back of the couch. It also controls our music delivery system, which I'll demonstrate for you very simply. So all I have to do is launch the app, pick a radio station, start it playing, ramp up the volume, enjoy the music. I can hear some of you saying, this is kind of inconvenient. Now I have to get up to control this from the iPad that's now bolted in the wall. Well, that's very, very easy to cure. Here I have my iPhone. I launch the app. Now these are perfectly synced up. I can control the volume from my phone, stop the music, start the music again, turn the audio up, and walk away.